going. This is an Etsy versus Stan Store, and which one would be the best option for you. Now, for Etsy, it is free to set up, but it has a $0.2 listing fee per item, and it takes 6.5% transaction fee on each sale. There is no monthly subscription, but as you keep selling more and more, you can see since they have a transaction fee instead of a fixed fee, the prices will vary on each month depending on how much you sell. And for Stan, it starts with a basic $25 per month, and it can go up to a lot depending on which features you take on. And then when it comes to creating an online store, Etsy is a marketplace. It's not an e-commerce platform. Like for Etsy, what's gonna happen is you need to go on Etsy, and let's say someone wants to buy a Christmas tree decoration, right? So they're gonna search Christmas tree decor, and it's gonna show all of the available Christmas tree decors that other people like you have listed instead of just showing yours. Whereas for Stan, it is just a store, right? So what happens is for Stan, it is a completely separate website for only your website or whatever you're selling versus Etsy. So you get my point. Next up, for marketing features, they have just basic marketing tools like discount sales, ads, and there's no advanced features. But for Stan Store, you have email marketing, social media marketing, you have discounts, upselling, unlimited funnels, all these things, but they do come with the expensive plan. Now, for customization and design and all these things, now who they truly are best for. Etsy is best for artists and creators who are selling handmade, vintage, or unique items and are looking for a simple setup, access to a large marketplace, and you don't need to stand alone. But Stan Store is needed for social media influencers and creators looking for a combination of e commerce with a link in bio platform. Let's say you are an Instagram user or a TikTok user who wants to sell a product and you want to have that link on your bio. In that case, Stan Store is the way to go. But if you're just an artist who's wanting to do things on the side way and you're willing to get into a marketplace instead of having to set up an online store, then Etsy is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.